The Insta360 family's with me today. That is the X6, which I'm shooting on right now. And I have the Luna Ultra on the bike. I just switched over to pure video mode. It's not next to video mode. It's after InstaFrame 2.0. I'm not sure why it's like that. It should be right next to video mode. Insta360, do us a favor. Make your camera all universal, meaning every model should be similar, not a little different. It's time for me to switch on over to the Insta360 Luna Ultra so I could get some comparison shots just riding in video, which is going to be low light enhancement. Why go to pure video mode if video mode at nighttime is pure video mode? You know what I mean. The Insta360 Luna, yes indeed, and this is the shot. As you can see what it looks like on the screen, kind of like dark. I got both cameras going, one's on the bike, one's on the Luna. I got a little noise, let's get going. And this is pure video mode switched on, you get the idea. InstaFrame 2.0. It's not pure video unless I choose low light enhancement pure video. It's on me. And low light enhancement is now off. Before, it's automatically on. So let's get it back on. There's a lot of shots we can do. I got it down here by the bike wheel. I'm moving it to the side over here. I just got the standard selfie stick that comes with the package. And I'm going to raise it all the way up to the top. To the top, baby. I'm going to let the editor do AI editing, and it's only going to do the first 5. I had to make sure I'm on pure video. I don't know if I'm on it or not because I don't see anything in flat view on the screen that says pure video. I don't love the camera. I don't hate the camera. I just don't love the touch sensitive button. This is a perfect shot. You see the color of sunrise just getting there. And I tell you, I don't think you're going to know the difference between the two cameras that just shot it. Only and only if I went to video mode, then you know the difference. I'm just talking about both cameras, showing what both cameras can do. I'm just filling in audio for the video. And I'm going to have to reload up my Wondershare Filmora 15 and use it. I had purchased Cyberlink PowerDirector, the annual, and I said cancel it. You know what they did? They gave me a couple of days in canceling. I felt it wasn't worth holding on to the annual plan, paying all that money, and titles never updated. They stayed the same, and everything new, just nothing new on it. And Filmora, I see different things, but maybe I'll go for the annual next year. But right now, I'll just keep and continue to use Filmora 15. I'm pretty happy with the editor. I don't love it, don't hate it. It just works for me. If you're looking for a camera and there was a POV style, an action camera, a gimbal, and a 360 camera, did you know that the 360 camera does it all? But the POV could only do so much, as well as a gimbal type and action camera. So would it be best to get a 360 camera? Now, why do I gotta switch over if I take out the touchscreen after record? Shouldn't it say before recording to switch over? Because now I gotta stop. Oh, Fish, that was for low light. I don't have a mic. It's not on of the interface. So something went wrong. This is not on, this is off. And yeah, so if I take it off the interface now, it switches over, waiting and waiting and waiting. Technology, man. Technology is a trip. So what gives? Why do we have things like that? Am I able to hit stop? No, I can't hit stop. Basically, you disconnected. And the only way to go back is to snap it on and then hit stop. Well, there's the mic all hooked up here. I had to shut the mic off, turn it back on. I don't know, maybe it's a retro mercury grade in the air. Something about touching fences and hanging there. That's what they do. They walk to the end, they touch it, they wait. Well, they weren't getting on film. The crowds pass, so let's get on to our spot. Did you know there's a button in the front and it's difficult to press, and a button on the back as well as difficult to press, meaning the button on the side for me just to get. Cruise ships in, can't zoom in. That means it's time to get on to the Luna Ultra. Oh yeah, maybe I could grab a shot. I could zoom in on here if I press on the button and do my best just to get D-warp out. Come on, X6, you could do better than that. Hurry, Fish. You got maybe a minute. As soon as I get that overlay off, man, I may center on it, double click, and zoom on in. I gotta go over to the right a little. There we go. And there you go, baby. Single click, lock in on. That's the shot you get. And there you go, baby. That's the shot you get. I got two cameras, and they're side by side. They're off by maybe 2 inches. It's overcast. Not going to be sunny. Got heavy clouds. It looks like rain. It looks like sun. Now, love and hate relationship. No way can I figure out how to get a narrower field of view, but tapping the side of the screen. We don't have field of view in the camera. And that sucks. Yep, it's the truth, man. I'm on 1.1. If I touch it and I hit person, there we go. It's called 1.2. That's what I want, and keep it on. What does 1.1 mean? Wide, landscape. And what is 0.7? Super wide. And I don't like that. I want to keep it on either 1.1 or 1.0. I have to tap the side of the screen and play. I have the option in here once I have it down. It gave me a choice to go to low light enhancement, and it went off. I saw it go on and go off. But that's the camera there. All these little bells and whistles, man. Single lens, that's a choice you have to make. The only difference is on the 360 camera, it's on a table like this, and if that camera goes over like that and falls, it's going to wobble around on that one lens. And that's what you don't want on these cameras, to damage those lenses. I have the microphone on the X6 and not the Luna Ultra. The Luna Ultra, I could take the screen off. And it's not connecting to the microphone. I'm going to go over to the camera, but it's not on the tripod stand. It's freestanding. And I'm going to take it off. You see me moving it around. And switch to audio this time. Ah, finally! Finally you did it. There you go. And we could talk like a human being on my screen. Both screens are right here. Your one off as well. So I guess I did my highlight of the talk, man. Choice is up to you. Is it worth getting an X6 camera? I think if I stick with my X5, I'll probably be happy. But the X6 I could deal with. I could live with the touch screen and things like that. I really can. But I don't know. I don't think it's worth upgrading if you have the X5. Personally, I don't think so. I can see this guy that does one of these bad boys. Boom! And he goes out and he does his cameras all over the place. I think he's going to be perfect for that. It's called Linear Mega View and whatever. I'm not going to worry about it, man. And you could do 1.0, 1.1 in between the two, which is like wide. And I like linear. I'm going to try to keep that on. It'll prevent those warped lines on the side. I got to put one camera away. Which camera is going to be put away? Well, normally I do my recent video. And I am going to put you away. Yep, I put you away. This is the Insta360 selfie stick that I'm using. It's got a little bend area. It's about 3 feet long, 38 inches. Do I gotta raise you up because you just dimmed down and then you're shut off after 90 seconds? I don't like that. Well, let me see if there's any firmware updates, then get on out of here. If you want to know what mode you're on, you just look in the lower right, that big icon. It tells you that you're on a mode. But right now it's on recording. So when the camera's off, it tells you I'm on pure video. But, no, I don't know what else I'm on. So am I on actually linear right now? Where I left off? Yep, because I touched the camera. It says max view. Let me get you back onto linear while you switch to max view, because I touched you. There you go. Now you're getting to learn your camera, fish. Getting to learn it for sure. 103 degrees. Field of view. That's what I set it to. Well, time for me to get on back, get on going, get on sharing, get on showing. I gotta complete my setup of the mini PC again. I had a little issue with it that went to upload a video I had. Oops, something went wrong. The fix was 6 hours later. I reset it, it canceled, I reset it, and finally took this time. I'm about a foot away. about 8 inches away. And I'll slowly back out and you decide where it looks good for you. Time to get on going. You could decide on that video if it looked good to you, the colors and all. I'll think it'll do just fine. Mighty fine. Well, I only say inside, thinking out loud to the camera how I feel, but it doesn't mean that I dislike, like, hate, love, neutral. I'm just showing you that it takes time to build trust and get used to something. That's who I am. You just watched the video and that person made that camera look like, oh my God, I gotta go get one. Because you had high expectations from that video and you get the camera home and you're having loads of fun. I want to tell you something. That Insta360 3M stick makes this camera heavy. Having on just the standard one I got here in the package, oh, it's a hell of a lot better. Well, I'm Fish. I hope that you can see how I'm enjoying my camera in ways, and it's going to take me some time. I went away from selfie stick telescopic poles and now I'm back again. Well, I hope you enjoy your product if this is what you are after. I like both cameras, the Insta360 Lunar Ultra and the X6, and I want to see what the video looks like in both, and I'll put it down in the subtitles of each of the scenes, what I like, dislike. And on that note, see ya!